Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Oba. So are you a new YouTuber who is struggling to grow your channel? You've been finding it difficult to grow your channel. So you are in the right place, because in this channel, I created it for the purpose of helping and teaching new YouTubers on how to grow their channel. This is not my first channel. I already have an existing channel. It is a car maintenance channel where I teach people how to maintain their cars. I tell them about the car components and what the component stands for, and the symptoms of the components or the sensors or any kind of fault in their cars. So I've been running that channel for like a year plus now, and it has been monetized, and I have like over 3,000 subscribers. Due to my experience I've gained at growing that channel, I decided to set up this channel to use it to help new YouTubers so that they'll be able to grow like me, because since I was able to grow my channel to 3,000 or more than 3,000 subscribers and got it monetized, you can also do that. So in today's video, I'm going to touch some points where people have been asking so many questions, like how many videos can you publish as in a new channel? How many videos can you publish before YouTube algorithm will be able to push your video to your audience, or before people will start seeing your videos on YouTube? So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please just do me the favor and hit the subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop any video on how to grow your YouTube, you'll be the first to know. So it doesn't really work that way, that you post today and you start getting views. You might be lucky, it happens, but just sit back and listen to what I'm going to say about it. So when you create a new YouTube channel, there is no fixed number of videos you must post before the algorithm starts recommending your content, or before you start getting views. However, here are some key points, or some points that I'm going to point out for you to know how the thing really works. So the first one is key points for you to understand. YouTube can recommend even your first video. It's very, very possible. They can actually recommend your first video if the video meets the right condition. So the condition it will meet is good title. You must have a good title, an eye-catchy title that tells a story. The next one is that the thumbnail must be good. You will also have an eye-catchy thumbnail, so that once people comes to the YouTube homepage, your thumbnail will attract them. And if it is what they are looking for that your thumbnail or your video is talking about, they will be able to click on it. So the next one is viewer retention. So is your video good? Can it be able to retain your viewers? Viewers retention is when, maybe for instance, you made like let's say 5 minutes video. Your viewers are watching your video till like say 2 to 3 minutes. Is a good retention. So if you can make a video that viewers are watching till like 2 to 3 minutes, that is a good retention. So that is the first thing you have to note. If you can meet the conditions, if you can meet these 3 conditions, one is good title, the second one is good thumbnail, and viewer retention. So the next one under this key is the algorithm prioritizes viewer behavior, not channel age or size. If people click on your video and watch it for a good amount of time, YouTube will push it further. So it all depends, or it all boils down on good video. When you do a good and a quality video, people will tend to watch. If that video is actually telling them what they are looking for, maybe what they are looking for, they are seeing it in that video, they can be able to keep watching that video. And the more they are watching that video, the more YouTube or the algorithm will push it. That is why I said in the first point I mentioned here, viewer retention. The next one is consistency helps. Channels that post regularly, let's say 1 or twice or thrice a week, give the algorithm more content to test and more chances to find winning videos. So what this one is basically saying is that if you create a new channel and you keep posting, maybe say in a week you are posting like 2 to 3 videos, you get, once the algorithm comes to index your channel, it will see some winning videos. Out of that lot, out of the 5 videos or out of the 10 videos you have posted, the algorithm might see 2 or 3 or even 4 that is good, that it will help you and push. So that is why this one is saying consistency helps. Once you are consistent in what you are doing, you are going to excel. So the next one is most new channels see results after posting 5 to 15 quality videos. You see that? 5 to 15 quality videos. It all also boils down to consistency. Consistently, over a few weeks to months, that's when the algorithm has enough data about your content and audience. So when you keep posting video, when you are consistent in posting, algorithm must have gathered enough, data and gathered enough audience to push your video to. Because when you don't post often, when you are not consistent in what you are doing, you don't post video, maybe in a week, you drop one. The next week, you won't even post anything. The upper week, you might not post. Maybe after like 2 or 3 weeks, you will now post a video. That channel is going to be dormant. Algorithm will not see any video to post. Nobody is coming there to watch your video. Algorithm doesn't know the audience to push that video to. So that is why it is good for you to keep posting. So the next point is what helps the algorithm recommend your video. So we're going to look at the things that will make the algorithm to recommend your video. So number 1 is high click-through rate. That's CTR. Your thumbnail title must attract attention. I mentioned it earlier. If you have a good title, if you have a catchy thumbnail, it will attract people to click on it. And once people are clicking on your video, once people start clicking on that video, it's going to help the algorithm to push your video. The next one is strong watch time. Viewers should stay engaged throughout your video. If your video is good and viewers tend to last long watching your video, it also helps the algorithm to push your video. So the bottom line is that make a good video. The next one is viewers engagement. This one entails liking your video, commenting on your video and share, and even subscribers from a video signals quality. That is when you see creators always say like, subscribe and share, because you know that the more you like, the more you subscribe, the more you share and comment, it shows the algorithm that that video is good, and algorithm will help to push that video. So the next one is niche consistency. YouTube better understands who to recommend your content to if all your videos serves a similar topic or audience. Not when you open a YouTube channel, you don't even know what to post. Today you post about football, the next day you post about health, or you start posting about food. You're not being consistent in a particular niche. That is why it is said before you open a YouTube channel, you must have something in mind. You must have a particular niche. Niche is what you want to be talking about in your video. If it is health, if it is finance, if it's about cooking, choose one out of it you can do better. Be consistent on it. Stop posting so many things in a particular channel, so that the algorithm will be able to know what you want. You will not confuse the algorithm, and your audience will not be confused. And once algorithm notice that you are posting on a particular niche, it will help you to push it to the right audience. The next one here is search optimization. This entails the use of search engine optimization to use friendly titles, description and tags to get found in search engines. So once you are trying to, after making, or even before you make your video, know the title of the video, know the title of what you are talking about. Have a friendly title so that there will be some keywords in that title that is telling the story of what you are talking about. Let's take, for instance, you want to talk about how to prepare jollof rice. Your title is good, how to prepare Nigerian jollof rice. That is a good title and it is friendly. So somebody might come searching for how to prepare jollof rice. It will generally show you how to prepare jollof rice. But for the fact you have mentioned how to prepare Nigerian jollof rice, it will take you directly to how to prepare Nigerian jollof rice. So by so doing, algorithm will now channel your video to people searching for how to prepare Nigerian jollof rice. So that is why it's good for you to have a good SEO friendly titles and description. So the last topic we are going to talk about here is practical tips for new channels. Okay, this one is talking about aim for like, say, 10 to 15 to 20 well-optimized videos in your first or 2 months. Okay, the next one is focus on one niche to help YouTube categorize your channel. I've said it before that if you want to start a YouTube channel, you must focus on a particular niche so that YouTube will categorize it and know that this is what you are talking about. Anytime your video drops, it knows the people to push your video to. The next one is promote your early videos manually. Share them on social media, forums, blogs, or with friends. It's as simple as that. Once you finish publishing your video, you can now share the links on Facebook. Each and every one of us, we have Facebook pages or Facebook feeds. We can share there. We can share on Instagram. We can share on TikTok and the rest of them. You can even share to your friends and they watch. So by so doing, you are increasing the chances of the algorithm pushing your video out. So the last one is be patient. Be patient. Most channels grow slowly at first, then suddenly gain traction when the video performs well. So you have to be patient. Keep posting. You might not know the video that is going to blow your channel. Definitely, there's going to be a video that will blow your channel. This video in my niche, in my car maintenance niche, when I posted it, I never knew that this video is going to blow. But this video is up to 20-something thousand views, and this video gave me like almost 2,000 watch hours. You get? It made me got closer to my 4,000 watch hours before I was able to complete it. So these are the things that you need to know when you are, trying to grow your new YouTube channel. You have to be patient. You have to be consistent. You have to be doing all these practical guides that I have listed here. So we are going to end here today. And please don't forget to subscribe to my video and like and comment. If there's any question you want to ask, please just drop your thoughts at the comment section. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.